Hello, I'm Tomer Nahumi from Delhi MC, and today I'm going to show a demonstration of installing and configuring the Delhi MC XtremIO Container Storage Interface plugin on Pivotal PKS. In order to effectively address the challenges of persistent storage, Delhi MC XtremIO provides its unique CSI plugin, allowing our customers to deliver persistent storage for container-based application on-premise for both development and production scale. Integrating the CSI plugin with PKS allows us to create specific PKS plans which include the CSI plugin built in them, and by that, to deploy PKS cluster with automatic installation of the plugin on demand. In order to deploy the CSI plugin, we will use the Linux box to edit the environment settings and build the plugin YAML file. On the CSI XtremIO deploy GitHub page, we can find the CSI plugin release notes and detailed description about requirements, installation, and parameters. I'm cloning the GitHub repository using the git clone command and extracting the installer using the git checkout command. The CSI INI file is the parameter file we use to configure and build the plugin. By default, the installation script is configured to download the required Docker images from the internet. If your environment has no internet access directly or via proxy, you can use VMware Harbor as an internal Docker repository and upload the images to it, and here just specify the parameters accordingly. The management IP is the management IP or FQDN of the XtremIO management server. The initial user is the XMS user we use to create the CSI user. CSI user and CSI password are the credentials used by the plugin to connect to the XtremIO XMS. For PKS environment, we have to set the kubelet root to var vcap data kubelet and to set the ephemeral node to true, as the worker nodes in PKS are ephemeral and deployed and managed on demand by Bosch. As you can see in this example, I've set the XMS FQDN and the required parameters, the initial username and password, the CSI username and password, the kubelet path, and the ephemeral node equals to true. Next, we need to run the install CSI plugin script with -g flag. This script creates the quality of service policies and the XMS users, as well as generate the plugin YAML file with the correct values we specified in advance. After running the script, we can find the plugin YAML file under the CSI TMP directory. Next, we need to edit the secret YAML file and set the XMS user's password. We can find this file under the template directory. Now, all we have to do is just copying this secret section to the beginning of the plugin YAML file. The next thing we are going to do is creating our PKS plan. I'm navigating to the Ops Manager UI and clicking on the PKS icon. Then, I'm activating a new PKS plan. I'm changing the name and the description to a more meaningful text and specifying the plan's parameter. In this example, I'm choosing a single master node and 3 worker nodes per cluster. Under Add-ons, I'm specifying the plugin YAML file, including the secret I've generated earlier. This deploys the CSI plugin on each new cluster deployed by Bosch from this PKS plan. Then, I'm checking the Allow Privileges box and click Save. Now, we need to apply the changes by navigating to Review Pending Changes and clicking on Apply Changes. This process takes approximately 10 minutes. At this point, our environment is ready. Now we can move to part 2 of this demo, deploying Kubernetes clusters and persistent applications with Pivotal PKS and the Dell EMC XtremIO CSI plugin. I hope you will find this demo useful and thank you very much for watching.